Hey, welcome to Man Stuff. This is my buddy Murr.
What's up?
We're in his wood shop.
Alright, well, this chair, or what's left of it, is going to become a chair in a few hours maybe, once the glue dries. As you can see, I've already started gluing the seat up. Once that's dry and set up good, should be able to get the rest of it together. When I glued it up, it was split right on a joint. So what we did, used some biscuits.
Good gravy!
And some wood glue.
Warning, 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 warning.
So basically at this point, we're just sitting here watching the glue dry.
Hey,
Alright, so what we're doing here, we're putting the back bottom brace on. And as you can see, it's a little warped from age. So what we're doing, gonna make some wedges. Just slide under there. So now what we need to do, we got to get this into here. So we take our, spread that like that.
Oh.
hey, stop it.
Match all these dowels up for the hole. A little bit tedious process trying to do that. There we go. There it goes in. Don't forget to put this back. And while it's not complete, screwed together yet, that's basically what we're after. Alright, so in the meantime what we did, we took and we put the back on. Then we took some new screws, because there's the older screws there. I don't know if they were going to last too much longer, because one already broke, as you can see. Took some new ones, a little bit longer, used some wood glue, got the back on there. So now the next step, we got to put the leg on. Now once we get the legs on there, centered up where we need to, then we'll drill some holes and screw it down. Alright, so there you have it. Oh, who knows what this chair. All repaired, cracked in the middle, all glued up. Got some new screws holding the sides on. Got to paint them black, make them look old. And we screwed the back on. That's it. All done.